Hey everyone, welcome back to another video of Parliament AI, and today we are going to let you know how you can create projects. What is project? In traditional way, we used to create a folder inside our PC or whatever, and after that we used to put files into it, like our documents where we have all the data inside that. But because there was no AI, so we have to use our brain powers to read all of the documents and analyze and create a new report and get better output from that, or analyze what actually written in there. Now with the help of AI, it's become so easier. Now you can create a project, basically folder inside your any favorite AI tool like Perplexity, ChatGPT, Claude and Gemini. You add files there with all the documents, everything written. Now you can ask anything related to it, or if you want to extract any data, you can do that easily as well. Yeah, that's the really crazy part, and we are living in a great era. So how you can do it? So right now, as you can see, I'm inside my Perplexity. From here you have to click on spaces. Okay, once you are here, you have to click on create new space. All right, and here you can actually add files, add links, add instructions, add task. Okay, let me get that. Alright, so now you can see I have this document with all of this mentioned. I have like main SOP, raw prompt and design elements and much more to go here. And also I added just another random eyesight comparison document as well from our lemwatch.com. It's a platform which helps you to compare things. Let me show you. If you're an individual agency owner or you have multiple websites and you want to track things, then here we have like our platform, which is Lemwatch. Let me show you from where I got this document. Now here you can see I have multiple websites listed here. If I go to compare, I can compare things. And let's compare two websites. Here you can see I have all of this data, everything like me versus my competitors for my two websites, whatever. Now you can see I have the export option. From here I exported the data, which is now I have this file. And also just to show you, now I'm exporting this data as well. You can actually, of course, you have to create your own data. Let's click export all tabs, export it. All right, now you can see the data is saved here. Okay, now let's go back here. Let's go back to add file. From here, let's select this. Okay, it's syncing because the file is so big, so it's gonna take some time. Of course, that file also have many images inside it. You can see that. So I think we have this file and we also have this file. I think we have to save the file here. I go here, I click on add. Alright, so I uploaded two more files, the set comparison and Parliament Global UI UX and Parliament Portfolio Report. Okay, let's go back. Now you can see I have three searches. I can add custom instructions if I want to. I can add link as well, like much more. In my case, I don't need it, but if you want to add any, you can have to click on plus. From here, you have to click on any website. Let's say parliament.com, or you can say parliamentai.com, and you can click on add link. So you have the domain here as well, and added by who? If you are like, you can share this with members and like anyone with this link, or you can actually invite any contributor as well. I mean, this is one of the best feature. Now if I click here, now you can see we have custom instructions here. Don't give basic and short output. All right, I want detailed and realistic output and quick fixes. All right, and give the output that I'm asking for. Okay, now let's click on save. Okay, we have all of these multiple features. We can name it like Parliament AI or whatever. Okay, now this is created. After that, you can see I have threads here. I can ask like if I have to start it, I can just start it from here as well. Okay, you can add any description if you want. Now I have this voice options, I have attached file options, I have recent and everything like that. Based on all documents, all right, create a detailed report, how I can fix issues and what branding guidelines I need to follow. All right, let's click here and let's paste it. Okay, it's now searching and it's gonna some take time. As you can see, it's actually generating a summary report. If you want to see each and everything, you can see, okay, it's reviewed two documents and it's searched the tags, and it's also searched for these things and review sources as well, and this related. Like the Parliament website face multiple performance severity monitoring issue across 4 key sites and no healthy sites, and average health score is 59, and it's giving all the details. Lem plates and lem parliament, lem watch, lem task, and it's giving a quick fixes for issues and all of this information. If I want to ask more things, I can ask him as well. So that's the benefit. Now let's move to the ChatGPT. From here, you have to click on new project. Okay, and then it's gonna say, let's say I can write it Parliament. Okay, I click on create project. From here I have setting option as well, but we can change the setting as well after creating the projects. So I have to click on this. Okay, All right, here you can see we have this add file functionality. You can add the custom instructions, you can add files, and you can add memory stuff as well. But this is default right now. Okay, now I have per lemon. I can add the custom instructions that I copy paste here. If I have to click and I have to know anything, I can go to my spaces. All right, I have this. If I am on to add any, okay, from here I can actually click here. From here I can copy this and I can paste it, and of course I have the same files here as well. All right, I added multiple files here. All right, so I can't add a bigger file here because it's saying it's too much content because I'm on the free version, that's why. Okay, I have to go without it, no worries. Or I can just copy paste the first part from it. Let's copy paste it, and let's download the one part only. I can, from here, let's click on the MD and click on current tab. Let's export it. All right, let's click on add. From here, let's add file and let's select this file and send it out. Okay, let's wait for a few seconds. All right, now I can add it. Let's click on save. All right, once it's gonna be saved, I'm gonna give it the same prompt that I shared it earlier. Okay, so let's copy this. I know this prompt is super basic and not so great. Let's send it out. Okay, let's see what output it gives us. Okay, now here is our output. That is like what broken weak, how to fix it, and branding and UI UX rules and much more, executive diagnosis, and everything is going on here. Okay, I see the output is much cleaner as compared to this. This one is detailed, but this one is cleaner. All right, this one is also detailed but cleaner. Yeah, it's kept on writing, and it's giving actually nice suggestions and nice layout. Now let's go to the Claude. By default, you're gonna see something like this. We have to click on project. Inside project, you have to click on new project. Here you can name it anything like, let's say per lemon, and I can add the same instruction just for guiding purpose. Let's go back to spaces. From here, let's click here, and now I have this. Let's copy this, let's paste it and create project. Okay, now you can see I can add custom instructions if I want to. I can add file as well. Let's go back here. Let's try a bigger file here. Let's go to this. Let's drag and drop. Now we have, okay, I can't add it because failed to upload to exceed the limit. All right, we can't add the bigger file here. Okay, now worthy. Okay, I just added a 355 line big, and I add 2 reports in here as well. Let's drag and drop. Okay, let's see if I can add them as well. Now if we have to add any, if you have to create any gem, you have to click on gems. You will see this place here. You have gem manager. You can click on my gem from lab. All right, or you can create from here as well, new gem. All right, per lemon, and here we have instructions here as well in Novi, and let's paste it out. And description, just leave that for now. We have multiple to here as well. We can add knowledge based data. Okay, let's drag and drop here. Okay, we have site comparison to selected already. Let's try to add a big file here, which is this one. Okay, let's see if we can add. Okay, it's getting uploaded. Sounded interesting. And let's copy this. Let's paste it here. And let's click on here. Let's click on Command away, and let's save instruction, and let's send it out. I can use multiple, but I can't use select Sonnet Pro. I can use it, but I have to select new chat. Okay, let's select this one, the free and better one. Okay, I got the output from here, and honestly I love the output of ChatGPT, and it's showing us the source as well. All right, okay, now let's send it out from here. Okay, it's getting uploaded. Okay, I have to wait for a few seconds. Okay, from my perspective, I have to get output still from the, so file wise I see that the Perplexity is number 1, like you can add maximum data and files, and also Gemini. All right, ChatGPT don't allow you to add much data, and same thing with the Claude, it don't allow you to add much data. Let's paste it here, and it's saying context size exceed limit, try reducing number of files or content and comments. Okay, my gosh. Okay, let's go to projects. From here I have to click on it, and I have to remove, I think, this here as well. And now I have to go back, and I have to send the data again. I mean my prompt and query again. Let's see what's going on. Okay, now it's working. All right, by the way, the Claude is super slow at actually giving you the output. Okay, so let's start chat. Let's copy the same prompt here, which is the basic one, and let's try to paste it here. Okay, all right, so I noticed Gemini was like quick and fast. All right, but it's actually give all the data here as well, a detailed one. All right, not so much detailed, but okay, nice, manageable. Okay, it's still actually creating a document and it's super slow. So from my perspective, if we have to add much and much data and we have to get output, so Perplexity is one of the best. And after that we have Gemini. And if we have to get a better output, then ChatGPT is there. But if we have to add smaller files and we have to wait so much time for getting a little response as well, then Claude is there. So of course, if there's a coding part and there's a technical part, I always believe that Claude is one of the best. But when it's come to the quick task and having a more data, I think Claude leaves so much gap to fix. All right, so yeah, from my side, Perplexity is number 1 and Gemini is number 2. ChatGPT is number 3, but if we go to the knowledge wise and better output wise, ChatGPT is number 1, or ChatGPT number 2, by the way. And then of course the last one is Claude. Let's see what output it gave to us. So it gave actually, the output is so better. Output is so better. So I think it's super slow and we can have to add a less data. But if you look at this, okay, I'm changing my word, by the way, but the Claude wins. So I think from file size wise, Perplexity and Gemini win. All right, from output wise, Claude win. All right, and if we have to get the third positions of the ChatGPT, but Claude win the technical part as well. All right, have a nice day. Bye bye.